Let's talk about your A1C. Chances are you'd like it to be lower. Dexcom CGM use has been proven to help lower A1C. Because you always know your glucose levels just by glancing at your compatible smart device or receiver, you can easily make diabetes treatment decisions, which can help you avoid some of those roller coaster highs and lows. With the Dexcom G6 app, you can set customizable glucose level thresholds. My doctor and I set my low glucose level at 80 and my high at 130. That's my target range. Your range may be different. When my glucose levels are at or below 80, I receive an alert. You can make it sound like this. You can be alerted when your glucose levels are trending up or down, or when you're out of range, even while you sleep, so you can take action. With the Dexcom G6 app, you can invite up to 5 people to follow you. Your followers will see your glucose levels in real time on their compatible smart device and get alerts when you do. You can view your trends over time, either online or in the Dexcom Clarity app. You'll be able to detect patterns like if you're spiking high or dropping low during the night, and be able to make better diabetes treatment decisions. Talk to the Dexcom Care team for help setting up your device and get answers to your questions. Or find easy guides and tutorials on the Dexcom website. Dexcom is here to help with 24/7 tech support and diabetes coaches standing by to help you get started.
The share function is great because I know what's going on with Ben at all times. I can be in a meeting at work and my watch will begin vibrating. I can look down and know what Ben's blood glucose level is at that moment.